Hi. Welcome to our channel. This video tutorial will show you how to merge PDF URLs using Google Apps Script and PDF.co. We will use the two sample PDFs in this demo. To begin, let's start by opening the Google Sheets app. Next, add your API key. You can get the API key in your PDF.co dashboard. Then, input the PDF URL separated by a comma. Now, let's add the source code to the app script. Click the Extensions menu and choose the app script. After adding the source code, make sure to input the PDF.co API key in the B1 cell. The PDF URL should be in the A4 cell and its output range to B4. Then, click the Run button to save the project. The program was executed successfully. Let's check the spreadsheet and merge the PDF URLs. Click the resulting URL to view the output. Here's the output that we successfully merge into a single PDF. For more tutorials, you may visit our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.